In this video, you will learn how to use Siteground Migrator. To use Siteground Migrator plugins, move to your website from another hosting to Siteground. Follow these simple steps. Log in to your WordPress dashboard of your old hosting provider where your website is currently hosted. In the website dashboard, go to Add Plugin and then click Add New. Select the Siteground Migrator in the plugin search bar. Now click Install. Once installed, click Activate. If you want to find your Siteground migration token, log into your Siteground account using your credentials. Once logged in, go to the Site tool of your website you want to migrate. In the Site tool, you will find the Migrator tab under Site. There, you will be able to find a migration token. Copy this token as you will need it for the migration process. Start the migration process. Go back to your WordPress dashboard. Then, go to Tools and Siteground Site Migration in the left-hand menu. Paste the migration token you've copied from the account, then click on Start Migration. After that, you will be prompted to log in using your Siteground account if you have not already logged in. Follow additional on-screen prompts to verify your Siteground account. Complete the migration process. Once you've entered the token of your Siteground account, the plugin will start migrating the site. The process may take some time, depending on the size of your website and how much elements you have in it. The plugin will notify you once the migration is complete. Finalize the migration. After the migration finishes, log into your Siteground account and go to the Site Tools, WordPress and Install and Manage to verify that everything has been transferred over successfully. Now check your website and ensure it works properly. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.